the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Oreo cupcakes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of water, vanilla extract, Oreo cookies, 1/2 cup of softened butter at room temperature, 1.5 cups of confectioners sugar, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients separated. I'm going to run through the ingredients one more time for you guys. I have 12 Oreo cookies, 1 egg. We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay guys, next you want to line your cupcake pans with cupcake liners. Then you're just going to add an Oreo cookie to each liner. You can preheat your oven to 350 degrees at this time. Okay guys, next you want to get a large bowl and a sifter, and you just want to sift your flour through that. Your cocoa powder. Your salt, and also your baking soda. So all we're going to do is sift that into our bowl. Okay guys, once you're done sifting that, all you want to do is mix that up real good. Make sure you combine everything thoroughly. Next, you want to go ahead and get your sugar. Put your sugar in, and we're going to mix that up. Make sure you combine it real good. Okay guys, once you're done mixing that, we're just going to set it to the side. Now you want to get another bowl. You're going to combine all your wet ingredients except for your water. And all you want to do is whisk that together also. Okay guys, once it's combined, you're going to bring back your other bowl. Now we're just going to add that in and begin to mix it together with the dry ingredients. And mix until it's well combined. Okay guys, once it's combined, you want to go ahead and take your half a cup of water and add that in now. And just go ahead and mix. Don't over mix. Just make sure it's all combined together. Okay guys, this is the consistency it should be. So now all we're going to do is scoop it into our cupcake pans. Okay guys, you can go ahead and start pouring into your cupcake liners. Just do each one like so. Okay guys, once your cupcake liners are full, you want to put them in your oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, I had set my timer for 20 minutes. Next we're going to make the icing. I have 4 Oreo cookies, which I'm going to cut and crush. I have my 1.5 cups of confectioner sugar. I have a cup of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay guys, once your cupcakes are done, you want to let them cool off completely. I just set mine on a cooling rack, but you got to make sure they're totally cooled off before we even put icing on them. And also, when you cut your Oreo cookies, try to get them as fine as you can, like this. If I were you, I would use the sharpest knife that you have in the kitchen and just keep going over them and over them until they're very fine. Okay guys, next you want to get a bowl and you want to add your half a cup of softened butter, and we're going to get a hand mixer and we're going to blend the butter until it's light and fluffy. That's going to be for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, after your 5 minutes is up, all you want to do is take your confectioner sugar and add a half a cup at a time. Then you're going to beat it again till it's mixed well. Then add the rest of it and beat it again. Okay guys, once it's well blended, you want to add your vanilla extract and your heavy cream. And you're going to blend that together also. Okay guys, now all you want to do is take your crushed Oreos and you want to dump it in the bowl. And all we're going to do is fold that in until well combined. Okay guys, next I got a piping bag and all I'm going to do is fill it now with my icing. Okay guys, all I did was cut some cookies in half. I have my icing in the piping bag and the cupcakes are totally cooled off. Next, all you have to do is ice them and put your cookies on top. And it was this simple guys. Look how pretty they are. Okay guys, so here you have it. Oreo cupcakes. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please come back, please subscribe and like, and thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.